Hi everyone. So I ordered a Cellbill chair and I'm quite excited to open it. I just received the package. So I'm just unboxing it. So they placed it very nicely in the box. It came from Maharashtra. I think somewhere in near Mumbai it has come. I'm just unboxing it. And there's an instruction package that I've received and I'll be just reading this and assembling it. Seems quite simple. I mean, there's chips defined with how you can assemble. So it came to a very compact package, very small package. I mean, considering the size of the chair and very simple steps, I'll assemble it and then maybe show how it looks. So there's even the key, over here, which will help me tighten the screw. So they've been given something like this. I mean, that's something good. I was just searching, maybe I need a screwdriver, but now I see that they've already provided this key. Now all the screws, you get it over here beside behind the chair. So I just need to remove them, then use this key to assemble the chair. So the screws that I took out, it goes with this part. I took the screws from here only. Now I placed it and just tightening the screws. So I mean, though it's all there in the manual, just still I'm posting it so that it's helpful to the folks out there. Now see, this is ready. I just need to put it on this like this, and the chair would almost be half ready now. So I took out some screws from here. Now I have to place it here, and those screws needs to be tightened up. These are these small screws. Then just I took it from here only. I mean they came in the package. I took it from here, and now just I have to tie these screws up here. And the chair is ready.